Track orders on Shein app. Welcome back everyone to this new video of 1 2 Step. If you want to know the time and the day your package is going to be delivered, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end because I'm going to show you the section of tracking your orders within the Shein app. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open up your Shein app, and then to track the orders, you'll need to tap on the envelope on the top left. Once you're in this section, you can see an option called orders. You can tap on it and you can see all of the orders that you made, whether they be successful orders or any orders that you cancel or any orders that is left for the payment. You can tap on any order that you're trying to track, and below right here on the bottom, you'll have an option called track. Because I've just cancelled this order, it does not show me an option of track on the bottom, but you should have an option called track. From there you can know the approximate time and the day your package is going to be delivered. So that is the way that you can track order on Shein app. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials that we post. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.